Hello everyone. This is the Virtual Thug 9. Hope you are all doing fine. Today's video is something new. It is the beginning of a new series in my channel. It is the 1-minute tutorial series. If you don't know what that is, it is a series where I make a simple and short tutorial of random stuff in just 1 minute. Today, I am gonna do something from CSS. It is called a hover effect. Let me show you. When I place my cursor over this button here, you can see that it turns into a different color. Let me show you how to do this. First, you have to enter the name of the code you want to enter the hover effect for. Then enter colon, and enter hover. Then change the properties. That's it. Hope you found this useful.